As home woodworking gains popularity, much like a typist values a quality keyboard or a gamer values a precise layout, a good jointer-planer combo combines power, build quality, smooth operation, and intuitive controls. This guide evaluates key models by motor performance, build quality, ease of setup and use, surface finish, and overall value for money.
List number 1. The WEN-JT 630H 10-amp 6-inch spiral benchtop joiner. The WEN-JT 630H is a well-known 6-inch benchtop joiner that punches above its price point for small shops and hobbyist woodworkers. Its standout feature is a spiral cutter head with 12 staggered HSS blades, which produces an exceptionally smooth finish on both softwoods and many hardwoods, often clean enough that minimal sanding is required afterwards. The cast iron table, 30 by 6 inches, gives generous support for benches and longer boards. The joiner can remove up to 1/8 of an inch per pass with an adjustable fence that bevels to 45 degrees. That flexibility helps for angled edge jointing or bevel cuts. In real-world use, many appreciate how quickly you can get it up and running. A few adjustments and you're cutting. Feed smoothly, and the spiral head gives a clean, glue-ready surface even on straight-grained hardwoods. That said, as a benchtop machine, it has limitations. The aluminum tables are prone to scratches. Long or very wide boards can be difficult to support, and dust collection is minimal, often needing an external shop vac.
List number 2. Hotech 10-inch benchtop planer and jointer combo. The Hotech 10-inch planer jointer combo brings more capacity and versatility than a simple 6-inch jointer. With a 13-amp motor running at 9,000 RPM, this machine offers strong material removal, up to 3 mm per pass on the jointer and 2 mm per pass when used as a planer. DIY wood projects +1. Its jointer table, about 37.3 inches by 10 inches, supports wider stock, making it more suitable for projects with larger boards. Meanwhile, a consistent feed rate, around 6 meters per minute, yields smooth, even passes when properly set up. DIY wood projects +1. The heavy cast iron base, about 85 pounds, helps dampen vibration and improve cut stability, a notable advantage over light benchtop units. DIY wood projects +1. That said, Hotech's combo machine isn't plug and play. Multiple reviewers warn that table flatness and assembly tolerances require careful setup. You may need to shim tables, adjust fence alignment, and fine-tune for minimal snipe. Once dialed in, it's a solid one-machine solution that combines jointer and planer functionality, perfect for small workshops or budget-conscious woodworkers who want flexibility without buying 2 separate heavy machines.
List number 3. Craftsman 10-amp benchtop jointer. The Craftsman benchtop jointer, frequently cited as the variable speed benchtop jointer of choice, packs a 10-amp motor and a variable cutter head speed between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM, delivering up to 22,000 cuts per minute. It features a 2-knife cutter head and a center-mounted fence that enhances accuracy for edge jointing or flattening tasks. The jointer performs adequately on many hardwoods and softwoods for small to medium woodworking jobs. For hobbyist use or smaller projects like cabinet doors, trim, or cutting boards, it does the job fairly well. But there are caveats. The 2-knife cutter head, as opposed to a spiral or helical head, tends to produce rougher surfaces and may require extra sanding. The aluminum tables and fence are light, and setup adjustments are needed for precise cuts. More critically, there are recurring reports of motor reliability problems, with some units failing after limited use, a significant concern if you plan frequent or demanding jointing work. All told, the Craftsman jointer is a workable benchtop option if you're on a budget and only doing occasional work, but if longevity and consistent performance matter, it's worth considering alternatives.
List number 4. Hotech 8-inch benchtop jointer/planer. The 8-inch version of Hotech's jointer/planer lineup offers a compact but powerful solution, suitable for small shops or home workshops where space is at a premium. Powered by a 13-amp motor at 9,000 RPM, it supports wood stock up to 8 inches wide and removes 0 to 3 mm per pass in jointer mode.
0 to 2 millimeters per pass when planing. Its metal build and relatively heavy frame, about 58 pounds, deliver stability and reduce vibration, important for cleaner, consistent cuts. The machine's footprint, about 29.1 by 13.8 by 14.2 inches, is small enough to fit under a workbench or in a tight shop corner.
List number 5. Comparison and who should buy what, quick summary. Use case or buyer type. Recommended model. Small space workshop, occasional jointery and edging, limited budget. WEN JT630H. Lightweight, compact, easy to start, good finish for small stock. Need jointer and planer in one for medium-sized projects with wider stock. Hotech 10-inch combo, best value for a 2-in-1 in small or medium shops. Entry-level benchtop jointer for light to moderate woodworking. Craftsman 10-amp jointer, variable speed, acceptable for hobby projects if you accept possible reliability risk. Compact but slightly larger capacity than 6-inch, 8-inch width for wider boards, limited space. Hotech 8-inch jointer planer, good if you can spend time setting it up properly.